In this video, I will show you how to check MacBook battery cycle count and capacity. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. First, let's define what is cycle count. So cycle count is the number of times your battery has been fully charged and discharged. Most of Apple's modern laptops can handle 1,000 charge cycles before needing a battery replacement, while battery capacity measures the device battery capacity relative to when it was new. A battery will have lower capacity as the battery chemically ages, which may result in fewer hours of usage between charges. To check battery cycle count and capacity, follow these steps. Open the System Settings app on your Mac. Choose General, then click on About. Now scroll down to the very bottom and click System Report. On the left sidebar, click Power. You'll find your battery cycle count under Health Information. Mine is still 3 because this is a newly bought device. You will also see the battery current condition and the maximum battery capacity. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click other videos to keep on watching.